If you are over 50 and keep these 5 fridge items, your blood sugar might be climbing every single day without you knowing it. Many seniors only find out when their doctor says, your numbers are in the diabetes range, and by then years of damage may already be done. In the next few minutes, you will see exactly which common fridge foods could be quietly pushing you toward diabetes. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which 5 fridge items many people over 50 choose to remove or replace to help protect their blood sugar. You will also see simple swaps that may help you lower daily sugar spikes without giving up flavor. This is not about a strict diet, it is about a few smart changes inside the fridge you already open several times a day. Let's start with the sneakiest problem in most fridges, sugary drinks that look harmless. Many sodas, sweet teas, and so-called healthy juice blends can hit your body with the sugar of 6 to 10 teaspoons in a single glass. For someone over 50, repeating that day after day may push your pancreas to work overtime and inch you closer to prediabetes. The next hidden problem is in your condiments shelf, not the dessert tray. Ketchup, barbecue sauce, sweet salad dressings, and some coffee creamers can turn a simple meal into a blood sugar spike without you tasting how sweet it really is. But here is where it gets really important. Many people think they are doing the right thing with low-fat flavored yogurt and coffee drinks. These often remove the fat and quietly add more sugar, which may cause your blood sugar to rise faster and crash harder. A simple change many people over 50 make is trading flavored yogurt for plain Greek yogurt with a few berries and nuts. Instead of sugary coffee creamers, some switch to a small amount of real cream or an unsweetened alternative and add cinnamon for flavor. These swaps may help reduce sugar hits while still giving you something creamy and satisfying from your fridge. Quick question for you. If you opened your fridge right now, which shelf do you think is most dangerous for your blood sugar, drinks, condiments, or snacks? Pause for a second and answer in your head, then type your guess in the comments so you can see how many others picked the same one. Many people are shocked when they realize their healthy snack shelf is actually the worst. Most people skip this and regret it later. Processed meats sitting in the fridge for quick sandwiches. Things like deli ham, bologna, and some hot dogs may not be sugary, but they often come with added starches, preservatives, and high salt that can affect weight, blood pressure, and overall health, which all tie into diabetes risk. Instead of grabbing processed meat every day, some people cook extra chicken, turkey, or beans and keep them in containers at eye level in the fridge. This way, when you open the door, the first thing you see is a better protein choice that may help keep blood sugar steadier and you feeling full longer. Here is where many people over 60 get caught: leftover takeout and ready-made meals stacked in the fridge. These often come with white rice, white pasta, creamy sauces, and hidden sugars that can spike blood sugar quickly, especially at night. Here is a simple fridge check many people use. First, remove or reduce sugary drinks. Second, look at condiments and creamers with added sugar. Third, rethink flavored low-fat dairy. Fourth, cut back on processed meats. And fifth, limit leftover takeout and heavy ready-made meals. Even changing just 1 or 2 of these this week may help your blood sugar numbers over the coming months.